Ever had that heart-stopping moment when your brand new iPad mini almost hits the floor? That's a $500 panic attack waiting to happen. But don't worry, we're here to make sure that never happens. Today, we're checking out the best cases to keep your iPad mini 7 safe and looking sharp. Whether you want something ultra slim and stylish or a case tough enough for a zombie apocalypse, I've got you covered. Let's jump in. Kicking things off, we've got the Zugu Slim Protective Case. If you want your iPad to survive a 5-foot drop and still look classy, this one's for you. It's got that premium faux leather vibe on the outside and a soft microfiber interior to keep scratches at bay. Plus, the thermoplastic edges hug your iPad tighter than your favorite pair of jeans. Here's the best part, the magnetic stand. You get 7 viewing angles with rock-solid stability. And get this, you can stick it to your fridge while following a recipe or binge-watching YouTube in the kitchen. The Apple Pencil holder is clutch too. It keeps your pencil charging while secured on the side, or you can use the rear holder when you want it extra secure. Downsides: it's a bit hefty, about 235 grams. But even with that, it's surprisingly pocketable. Back pocket of your jeans. Vest pocket? Yep, it fits. It's a bit pricier, but for the premium features and build quality that feels like it'll last, Zugu is pretty compelling. Next up is the ESR Kickstand Case. Love showing off that sleek iPad design, but still want some functionality? ESR gets it. This case keeps your mini looking like a mini. You get grippy TPU edges and a more rigid plastic back that fights off scratches. Those air-cushioned corners and a raised lip for the camera offer decent protection without bulking it up. The star here is the metal kickstand. It's surprisingly versatile, supporting both landscape and portrait orientations. And yes, your Apple Pencil will still magnetically attach and charge just fine. It's super light, adding only about 84 to 85 grams, and gives enough screen protection to prevent those annoying face-down scratches. If you want a simple, clear, lightweight case with a solid kickstand, ESR is a winner. Okay, moving on. If your iPad mini lives a life of extreme danger, or if you're just super clumsy, no judgment, then you need a fortress. And that, my friends, is the Otterbox Defender. This thing is built like a tank. It's got a 4-layer protection system. We're talking a polymer base with a memory foam-like interior, a clamshell design, a silicone layer that wraps around that, and then this exoskeleton outer layer. Phew, that exoskeleton isn't just for show. It adds serious grip and maximum drop protection. Plus, it doubles as a kickstand and can even snap onto the front for total screen protection when you're on the move. The kickstand has limited viewing angles and can be a bit awkward, but hey, it works. It's not light, about 159 grams, or 275 with the kickstand. But that's the price you pay for turning your iPad into an armored vehicle. It even has a side cover for the Apple Pencil, completely securing it. Surprisingly, even with all this armor, you can still draw and take notes right to the edge of the screen. No interference there. If maximum protection is your top priority, the Otterbox Defender Pro is the way to go. Tired of the usual black and gray? Want your iPad mini to pop with some personality? Say hello to the MoKo Folio Case. This one brings a splash of color to the party. You get a translucent TPU shell that still lets you see your iPad's design, while the PU leather exterior has a slight texture and feels way more premium than its price tag suggests. Inside, soft lining to pamper your screen. The back has this cool textured surface that helps with grip and fights off those annoying fingerprints. Plus, the matte finish is less likely to turn yellow over time. Fold it back, and you've got 2 stable viewing angles, perfect for typing or relaxing with Netflix or your favorite shows. And yes, there's a thinner section on one side so you can charge your Apple Pencil without yanking the case off. Honestly, the MoKo Folio really stands out with its vibrant patterns. If you're bored with basic and want great value, this is a fantastic pick. Looking for something a bit more incognito? The DTTO Business Folio Case makes your iPad mini look less like a flashy gadget and more like a classy notebook or planner. Perfect for meetings or when you want to keep a low profile. It's got this leather-like exterior that screams professional, while the inside is lined with a soft, rubbery material for comfort and grip. Your iPad snaps securely into a flexible TPU shell. Big plus, a built-in Apple Pencil holder. And here's a cool feature. Even though there's a thin plastic layer between the pencil and the iPad, it still charges while stored. To take it out, just give it a quick push. Super convenient. It also has a handy front pocket for stashing small stuff like business cards or maybe a spare key. And there's a rear strap for extra grip when you're holding it for a while. For protection, there's a raised edge around the camera. When you use it as a stand, you get multiple viewing angles and landscape, and it can even do portrait. Now, it's not genuine leather, but it pulls off the professional look really well. If you want a case that's stylish, functional, and makes your iPad look like it means business, the DTTO is a solid choice. No matter which case you pick, investing in good protection keeps your iPad mini 7 safe and looking great for years to come. Plus, a case is way cheaper than a screen repair. Which one is your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews and tips. Until next time, keep your iPad protected and your screen crack-free.